Chapter 2. There's something here. November 4th, 1922. Something wonderful happened today. We found a step in the sand. It was about 4 p.m. when someone suddenly cried out behind me. It was my friend Karim. Tariq, quick, there's something here. I ran to him, and we dug fast. We soon found a step in the sand, and under the first step we could see a second one. I said, "Stop, we must get Mr. Carter." Someone found Mr. Carter, and he ran over to us. When he saw the step, he was very excited, and he couldn't speak. We all waited, then he found his voice. "Dig," he cried. "Dig, I say." So we all dug very quickly, and we found 5 more steps before the sun went down. Then we stopped. Now we are all very tired, but very excited. At dinner, there were many questions in all our heads. What are we going to find next? Is there a tomb here? Is it going to be open or closed? Early tomorrow morning, we must dig more. I don't think I'm going to sleep very much tonight. At last, there is something new in the sand, and my friend Karim found it. November 6, 1922. Tonight, I can tell my diary everything, but only my diary. Mr. Carter says we can't tell people about the steps in the sand. He says they're very important. Today we found 16 steps in the sand. Then we found a door. And the most important thing, the door wasn't open, but had old Egyptian seals on it. Mr. Carter went down the steps and looked at the seals very carefully for a long time. We all waited in the sand under the hot sun, down in the dark, looking at that old Egyptian door. Mr. Carter began to laugh. "They're his seals," he called up to us. "Tutankhamun's seals. I think it's his tomb at last." "Well done, everybody." We all laughed and cried. It was very exciting, but after a time, Mr. Carter said we must all be quiet. He doesn't want newspapermen to hear about this and to come to the Valley of the Kings bringing lots of visitors. "First, I must tell Lord Carnarvon," said Mr. Carter. "We can't open the door without him. Put all the sand back and say nothing about this." So we covered the door and all the steps under the sand again, and now we must wait for Lord Carnarvon. It's going to take 2 weeks or more for him to come to Egypt by ship from England. How can we keep quiet for 2 weeks? It's a good thing I'm far from my family. And that beautiful French artist Anne is far away now. I think she would like to hear all about this too. Without them here, there's nobody to talk to. Nobody but you, my diary. November 12, 1922. Something very strange happened today. A snake killed Mr. Carter's yellow bird and ate it. Karim was ill, and his face went white when he heard about it. "The yellow bird helped us to find Tutankhamun's tomb," he said, "but now Tutankhamun sends this snake to kill the bird because he is angry with us. We must stop digging at once and never open the boy king's tomb." Mr. Carter told Karim to be quiet and not to say all those crazy things in front of the younger boys. "Listen to me, Karim," he said. "Tutankhamun died thousands of years ago. He can't be angry with us. Do you hear? Who is right about Tutankhamun, Mr. Carter or Karim? I don't know. But I'm beginning to feel afraid." November 23, 1922. Today, at last, Lord Carnarvon and his daughter, Evelyn, arrived. Lord Carnarvon doesn't look well. His face is very white and tired. When they arrived, we took the sand off the steps and the door again. Lord Carnarvon and Mr. Carter went down the steps to look at the seals on the door. They were very excited. Lord Carnarvon's daughter stood next to me on the first step, and I heard her say, "I hope there is something there this time." "Oh, Father, you're very tired and ill. I hope this visit doesn't make you feel worse." She spoke very quietly, but I heard her. Lord Carnarvon and Mr. Carter stayed down looking at the door for a long time. They were very quiet. We went away to have something to eat and drink. When we came back an hour later, they came up the steps to meet us. "Some of the seals on the door are broken," said Lord Carnarvon. "So we're not the first people to find the door? Perhaps the tomb behind the door has nothing in it." Nobody spoke. Everybody thought of all the gold and treasures we hoped to find there. But, Lord Carnarvon continued, "It's a wonderful thing to find a new tomb. We may find pictures on the walls, or mummies, or other beautiful things. Our work is very important. There are stones behind the door, and we must now move away the stones, so we worked all afternoon. The stones are big and heavy, and I don't know when we're going to finish up, perhaps tomorrow. It is cold again tonight. Are we going to find treasure in Tutankhamun's tomb? Is his angry spirit near us, watching us? I am too tired to think or to write any more now. Good night, diary.